Don't forget, hit that like, share, and the subscribe button. Not everybody with a gun's a bad person, and you've just shown that you had more curiosity about this than you were scared.
Well, you know what?
Hey, let's get you in this. All right. What's up, man?
This guy is also, I don't know what's all the fuss about guns, man.
Yeah. Get him back in the water before he dies.
No, we're gonna take it home.
You can't. It's illegal.
What?
It's too big.
Really?
See, you gotta get it back in the water.
Be all right.
Give him back in the water, man. That's the way it is. Florida law. It's just the way it is, bud. And on top of that, you have to have a permit to keep the snook.
Okay.
Living that dream, bud. Living that dream. Have a great day. How y'all doing? Yeah, living that dream, dude. How y'all doing?
What pound line are you using?
This one I think has like 40 pound, but I'm 20 pound leader. Yeah, normally most of my rigs are all like 50, 65 pound. I go for big snook usually, but today I'm kind of out here looking for snapper. Looking for a snapper or something.
I got
maybe a redfish.
Yesterday, like a 6 pound sheep's head.
Nice. Yeah, that's a stud. Good luck, man. Oh, you got a good fish. Yeah.
Sure, try just one time. Just want to see what you can. Oh no. No.
Yeah. Almost. Hey. Hey. Yeah, es imposible.
¿Lo subo? ¿Lo subimos con la mano?
No. Oh, look at the size of that snook right there. Oh. Hey, who's got a net? No. Hey, who's got a net? Anybody got a net? Oh, man.
No.
Yeah. Muy fuerte. Look at the size of that snook right there. Ay.
No, güey, ¿por qué no?
Es que la toca por encima de la...
Oh, that's a big fish right there. That sucks, man. Nobody's got a net either. Yeah. You gotta go todo. In the playa. And leave him in the water because she's hurting. Leave her in the water, make sure she has water. But the only way to do it is walk it. You gotta walk it around. There's no nets up here at all? Hold on. No. Oh, that's a big fish.
No, he's gonna do a little something like that to try to pull him up.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, try to leave him in the water.
There you go. I got two of them on there. Man, you got braid on that one, so. Put your hand in his mouth, he ain't got no teeth.
Agárralo fuerte, güey. De adentro lo puedes. No, okay. Chido, que
Yes, sir.
nice fish.
Here you go.
Put it down. Ahí está.
Yeah. It's oversized.
It is?
Yeah, he can't keep it.
Yeah, got
Gotta let it go.
That's a good.
But it's a good fish, though. That's a solid fish.
Yeah, we're allowed to keep it.
Yeah, too big. Get him back in the water before he dies.
No, we're gonna take it home.
You can't. It's illegal.
What?
It's too big.
Really?
Sí. Sí, es muy grande.
He's gonna die if we
You gotta throw it back. You gotta get it back in the water.
Be all right. Don't die laying on
Give him back in the water, man. That's the way it is. Florida law. It's just the way it is, bud. As much as I want to say no.
You want to get a big old ticket, go ahead and keep him, but.
Yeah, there was too many cameras out here today, so I would tell you to release that thing.
On Facebook,
Yeah.
Busted.
Yeah. Sorry about your luck, but
Yeah.
Alright, bro. We came here for fishing.
yeah, he just came here for fishing. See,
Watch around this gill place, they'll slide
Yeah.
right open there.
cabeza primero. See.
He'll take off. There, it went right back underneath the dock. Like a rocket.
Yeah. You got 4 inches. It's 28 to 32. That's the legal size. 28 inches to 32 inches. That's it.
Okay. Can you explain me that one? Okay, so what is the real legal size?
The
fish you
legal
can
limit is 28 inches
take? 28 inches.
to 32 inches. I don't know in
Yeah, probably.
it's like 2 foot to almost 3 foot,
Okay.
but it's small. It's a 4-inch window.
Pretty
And-
much like half of this.
And then, and on top of that, you have to have a permit to keep the snook.
Okay.
You have to have a permit. So if you don't have, you can have a fishing license, but you need a permit to actually harvest snook.
Okay.
So if you don't even have the permit, you can't even harvest the snook.
All right. So.
And that's what that was. That's a Florida snook right there.
Okay.
Yeah. No, but that's an amazing fish. It was, dude, that thing's solid. That was solid like a rock right there.
You must be a game warden, huh?
No, dude, I catch snook where I'm from. I catch 40+ inch. Like I've caught in 44-inch snook before. And I mean, when I'm talking, like, you could stick your hand in their mouth. They were so big. And as much as I want to keep them too, you can't, you know.
Alright.
And those are the ones that actually produce the babies.
Yeah, those are the breeders.
Those are the ones that produce the baby snook. So, yeah, let's get you in this. All right. What's up, man?
This guy is awesome. I don't know what's all the fuss about guns, man.
Yeah, just a guy out here expressing his rights, you know what I mean?
Great guy with great smile. You know, I feel safer.
Yeah, everybody should feel safer, you know what I mean? So, yeah, no, I appreciate the support, man. Hey, you're good, man. You'll be on the video, too.
You'll be on the video.
Yeah. I say, what's up, subscribers? Don't forget, hit that like, share, and the subscribe button.
Right.
Hit the subscribe. That little bell, it costs you nothing. Hit that bell and you'll get to see all these videos. Well, yeah, no, it's awesome. It's always awesome to meet people.
bushman out here too. Seen him? He was like old Depot, got one of those big pots to plant plants in.
Yeah.
And he's got a ghillie suit on. And he just sits in that pot and waits
And then
for
you,
it to walk out. He blows a
ah.
whistle and scares the shit out of him. All kinds of videos of him right in the basement.
Right over here? Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, dude. I think Caitlin Bennett actually lives in Clearwater.
Yeah.
She likes to come out and she goes up and does her little thing up and down this beach, and I'm always like, where's she at when I'm out here?
Yeah,
like hey, I got a fishing pole for you. Here you go. Come on, good girl.
Yeah, and there's one that does metal detecting out here. Girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not free. It's costing somebody something. Believe
Yeah. Freedom isn't free. Believe it.
It's not. Yeah, it isn't. It's costing everybody that's working right now. It's costing everybody that's
What's up? Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is an AR pistol, and that's a Glock 23. 40 caliber, 5.56.
And like, why do you have them with you? Like, they look beautiful, but like, why? Like,
Why? Because sometimes there's bad people that have bad intentions, and I'm here to protect myself and others at the end of the day.
and do you have good intentions?
I have great intentions.
You do?
All I'm doing is fishing. That's my only intention about all of this is I'm going fishing, and
It kind of scares me. I'm like,
but see, you're
like,
talking to me right now, and it's so weird.
And it's like, but I'm like, if I sparked up a joint, like for example, I think everybody would freak the fuck out.
But why?
And yet, I don't know if you're like a safe guy or not.
I'm a safe guy, but the same thing, the guy that's smoking the joint, do you know he's a safe guy?
He can't harm anybody if he's like.
I'm not harming anybody.
No, by the way, I'm not having a bad thing with him.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
I'm like, I'm marveling with you that like you can walk around with this Indian if I want.
As long as you're fishing, hunting, or camping, the only exceptions that you're allowed.
Hunting, camping.
Yep. While you're going to and returning from.
And you can have your
whatever you want. If you don't feel comfortable with the AR, carry your handgun. If you carry comfortably with the AR, carry the AR.
So you need a license or
nope, just a fishing license.
That's it.
That's it.
No way.
As long as you're lawfully allowed to possess the firearm.
Like meaning like you're not a criminal.
You're not a felon. You can lawfully purchase and get firearms. You're good to go.
Put on you too, like get a license or anything like that.
Yeah, just need a fishing license. And as long as you're going fishing, you can do what I'm doing right now.
Hunting or camping.
Yeah.
Oh, and then what do you got to have it in your trunk or something?
No, as long as you're going to and returning from. But note that you have to be going from one spot to home or from home to fishing. You can't just go stop at Walmart. Okay. You can't, there's not a lot of things. It's strictly going to your car, going from wherever you start to wherever your fishing spot is.
Okay. I'm glad I asked you.
And please continue the friendly ambassadorship.
Yeah, that's all you can do.
I personally,
You be scared?
I'm from California.
Oh yeah.
I'm not used to seeing anything like that.
No.
So I told my husband, I was like, oh my gosh, it's almost like a little kind of like you almost feels like alarming at first, but you're.
See, and that's the thing is like if you feel that uncomfortability, I say walk away from the situation. Do whatever you can. No, but in the same principle, you came up and you were like, I did the whole like I'm the friendliest guy in the world.
Yeah.
You know?
I hope you feel like we are too.
Yeah. No, I'm not saying nothing bad. No.
Exactly. Some people instead of going to fear, we feel like we'd rather
or get some
yeah.
Exactly.
I'd rather introduce myself and say,
hey, can you do that? And then
and you learn something.
And see, and that's what this is about. This is why I do this.
And then you end up having a conversation, and it's like, actually, I feel like
human beings interacting.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're that you're a responsible person doing.
Oh yeah. The key thing is responsible. There's irresponsible people, and when even for me, if I see somebody doing something irresponsible, I get myself out of that situation because you know something, that person is going to cause harm, and if I need to, I'll call the police. But at the same time, if you just see somebody walking, not doing anything, not trying to, like, this beach is loaded. If there was something to be done, I could have already done it, but I'm not. You know, I'm just, I just waved, hi, how you doing? So that's awesome. It's awesome to meet people like this. And just to let you know, look on YouTube. It's called The Armed Fisherman. Armed Fisherman.
Okay, cool.
Real simple, right?
And that's your too.
That's my YouTube channel. 55,000 subscribers, so. Awesome.
Keep harmlessly doing your.
I will.
Want to get that level of subscription.
Yeah, not everybody with a gun's a bad person, and you've just shown that you had more curiosity about this than you were scared.
Well, you know what? That's why we really do subscribe to. We don't judge people. We'd rather talk to someone.
Try to get on the same base.
Yeah.
Even if we don't agree at the end,
Exactly.
at least we had a conversation to try to meet somewhere in the middle.
And to understand each other better.
Yeah. There's so
something now.
That's exactly how I feel too.
there's so many different personalities that the only way to really know anybody is to actually talk to somebody.
That's exactly how I feel.
Yeah.
And you can't feel scared of everyone when you feel like everyone's your brother and sister.
Yeah. We're all brothers and sisters. We might have a different pigment, but we're all brothers and sisters.
That's right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a good one.
Cool. Yeah, always.
And do you throw the fish back?
Depending if it's big enough, if it's keeper size, yeah, I put it in my belly. Get in my belly. Later.